Narrator. Hello, fantastic English learners, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast's beginner series. I'm your narrator, and I'm thrilled you're joining us today. Do you enjoy watching sports? Do you like to play sports? Sports are a huge part of culture and daily life for many people around the world. Talking about sports is a very common and exciting topic in conversations, whether you're meeting new people, cheering with friends, or just discussing hobbies. It allows you to express your interests and learn about others. That's why today we're focusing on talking about your favorite sport in English. Learning simple words and phrases to describe your favorite sports, what you like about them, and how they are played will give you a great boost in your conversational skills. In this episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Patrick and Isabella. They will talk about their favorite sports to watch and play, what they enjoy about them, and some basic details. They'll use simple English, making it easy for you to understand and start talking about sports yourself. After their conversation, we'll have a short, active practice session to help you use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the useful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and practice listening just by tuning in. Let's dive into the conversation. Patrick: Hi Isabella. How are you today? I was just watching a basketball game on TV, and it made me think about how much I love sports. So, do you like sports, Isabella? What's your favorite sport if you have one? Isabella: Hi Patrick. I'm doing great, thanks. Well, that's a good topic. Yes, I do like sports. My favorite sport both to watch and to play is swimming. I just love it. It's very relaxing and also a great workout for my whole body. I like that you can swim alone or with friends. I often watch professional swimming competitions during the Olympics, and I also go swimming at my local pool 3 times a week. What about you, Patrick? You just mentioned basketball. What's your favorite sport? Is it basketball or something else? Patrick: Swimming is a fantastic choice, Isabella. It's true, it is very relaxing and excellent for your fitness. It's nice that you practice it yourself too. My favorite sport is basketball. I absolutely love basketball. I've played it since I was a child and I watch almost every big game on TV. I love the fast pace of the game, the teamwork, and the excitement when a player scores a basket. It's truly a global sport and the energy in the stadium is amazing. What do you like most about playing swimming, Isabella? Is it the exercise, the peacefulness, or something else? Isabella: Basketball is super popular, Patrick. I can see why you love it so much, especially if you've played it since childhood. The fast pace and excitement of scoring a basket are definitely big parts of its appeal. For me, what I like most about playing swimming is the peacefulness and the exercise. It's a great workout for my body and it makes me feel strong and energetic. When I'm in the water, I feel very calm and all my stress goes away. It's a fun way to stay healthy and clear my mind. How often do you play basketball, Patrick? Do you play with friends or in a team? Patrick: That's great, Isabella. Peaceful moments and exercise are definitely good reasons to play swimming. Sounds like a fantastic way to stay fit and active. I play basketball twice a week usually. I play with a group of friends at a local community court near Schiller Park in Berlin, Germany, every Saturday morning, and then on Thursday evenings I play in a small amateur league. It's always fun to play with friends and the league games are a bit more competitive, which I enjoy. What equipment do you need to go swimming, Isabella? And where do you usually swim? Isabella: Playing basketball twice a week with friends and in a league sounds like a lot of fun, Patrick. It's great that you have both casual and competitive games. For swimming equipment, you mainly need a swimsuit and goggles to protect your eyes. Some people also use a swim cap to keep their hair dry. You also need a towel to dry yourself after. I usually swim at the local public swimming pool near my house, which is at Rue de la Natation, 06000 Nice, France. It's indoors so I can swim all year round. What about basketball, Patrick? What equipment do you need to play basketball? And where do you usually play your games? Patrick: A swimsuit, goggles, a swim cap, and a towel. That sounds like simple and practical equipment, Isabella. And an indoor public pool is great for year-round access. For basketball, you mainly need a basketball itself, of course. We also wear basketball shoes, special shoes for good grip and ankle support, and comfortable sports clothes like shorts and a jersey. We play on a basketball court with 2 hoops. The community court near Schiller Park has good hoops, and the league games are played in a bigger sports hall with a proper court. What about the rules of swimming, Isabella? Can you explain one simple rule? Isabella: that makes sense, Patrick. A basketball, special shoes, and a proper court with hoops are all essential for basketball. For a simple rule in swimming, when you are doing freestyle crawl stroke, you have to touch the wall with one hand when you turn or finish a race. You can't just stop anywhere in the middle of the lane. And you must stay in your own lane. Sounds simple, but you have to be precise. How do you score points in basketball, Patrick? Patrick: that's a very clear explanation of a swimming rule, Isabella. Touching the wall and staying in your lane. That's a good way to understand turns and finishes. In basketball, you score points by shooting the ball through the opponent's hoop. If you shoot from inside a special line, the 3-point line, you get 2 points. If you shoot from outside that line, you get 3 points. And if you shoot from the free throw line after a foul, you get 1 point. The team with more points at the end of the game wins. Simple. Get the ball in the hoop. Do you have a favorite swimmer, Isabella? Or a favorite team to watch? Isabella: scoring 2, 3, or 1 point by shooting the ball through the hoop. That's a very clear way to understand basketball scoring, Patrick. And the different points for different shots are important. Yes, I do have a favorite swimmer. My favorite swimmer is Katie Ledecky. She is an American swimmer and she is incredibly strong and fast, especially in long-distance races. I admire her endurance and how she keeps winning many gold medals. I don't really have a favorite team, just individual swimmers. Do you have a favorite basketball team, Patrick? Or favorite player? Patrick: Katie Ledecky is an excellent choice, Isabella. Her strength, speed, and endurance are incredible. She is a true legend of swimming. Yes, I definitely have a favorite basketball team. My favorite team is the Los Angeles Lakers, a very famous team from the USA. I've supported them since I was a child. My favorite player is LeBron James. Even though he is older now, I admire his incredible skill, his passing, and how he can play almost any position. He is like a leader on the court. I always try to watch their games. Do you watch any other sports besides swimming, Isabella? Or is swimming your main interest? Isabella: the Los Angeles Lakers and LeBron James. Both are very famous and successful in basketball, Patrick. Supporting a team since childhood creates a strong bond. And LeBron's leadership and skill are indeed legendary. I can see why you always try to watch their games. Besides swimming, I sometimes watch figure skating during the Winter Olympics. I think it's amazing to see the athletes perform such difficult and beautiful jumps and spins. It's not a sport I play, but it's very impressive to watch. I also enjoy watching gymnastics sometimes, especially during big competitions, because it's a very challenging and elegant sport. But swimming is definitely my main interest. Are there any other sports you enjoy watching or playing, Patrick? Maybe a less popular one? Patrick: figure skating and gymnastics are fantastic choices, Isabella. Figure skating definitely shows incredible skill and beauty, and gymnastics is both challenging and elegant. It's good to have other sports you enjoy watching. Besides basketball, I also enjoy playing table tennis, also called ping pong, with friends sometimes. It's a very fast-paced game and it's fun to hit the small ball back and forth. I also enjoy watching Formula 1 racing. It's not a team sport in the same way, but I find the speed, technology, and strategy of the car races very exciting. It's quite different from basketball, but the competition is intense. What about the benefits of playing swimming for you, Isabella? How does it help you in your life? Isabella: table tennis sounds like a fun, fast-paced game, Patrick. And Formula 1 racing, with its speed, technology, and intense competition, offers a totally different kind of excitement. It's interesting how varied your sports interests are. For me, the benefits of playing swimming are many. First, it's great for my physical health. Keeps me active, improves my strength, and helps with my heart and lung health. Second, it's great for my mental health. When I swim, I focus only on my breathing and my strokes, and it helps me forget about stress. It's also a way to feel calm and refreshed. Makes me feel happy and strong. What about the benefits of playing basketball for you, Patrick? Patrick: that's a very clear explanation of the benefits of swimming, Isabella. Physical health, mental health, and feeling calm and refreshed. Those are all fantastic reasons to play. It's great that it makes you feel happy and strong. For me, the benefits of playing basketball are also very important. Like swimming, it's excellent for physical exercise. Keeps me fit, improves my running and jumping, and makes my body stronger. Second, it teaches me a lot about teamwork. You have to work together with your teammates to win, passing the ball and helping each other. Third, it's a great way to reduce stress and have fun. When I'm on the court, I forget about everything else and just enjoy the game. It makes me feel energized and happy. Do you prefer to watch swimming on TV or live at a stadium, Isabella? Isabella, teamwork and stress reduction in addition to physical exercise sound like wonderful benefits of playing basketball, Patrick. It's great that it keeps you fit and teaches you about working with others. For watching swimming, I actually prefer to watch it on TV. I can see the swimmers better and the commentators explain their techniques, which helps me understand the race strategies. Going to a live match at a swimming stadium is exciting for the atmosphere, but sometimes it's hard to see the individual swimmers clearly. So, TV is better for learning and clear viewing. Do you prefer to watch basketball on TV or go to a live game at a stadium, Patrick? Patrick, that makes sense, Isabella. Watching swimming on TV for better visibility and commentary is a very practical choice. For basketball, I definitely prefer to watch live games at a stadium whenever I can. The atmosphere is incredible. The cheering, the music, the energy of the crowd. Feels like a huge party. You feel the excitement of every basket and every good play in a much stronger way. Of course, I watch many games on TV too, especially if I can't go to the arena, but nothing beats the live experience. The energy is just so different. What's one thing you find challenging about swimming, Isabella? Isabella, that's a great point, Patrick. The atmosphere of a live basketball game at a stadium, with all the cheering and energy, sounds truly amazing. I can imagine that excitement is very different from watching on TV. For me, one thing I find challenging about swimming is breathing correctly. It's difficult to breathe efficiently while also keeping a good rhythm in your strokes. Sometimes I feel like I'm not getting enough air, especially in longer distances. It takes a lot of practice to get your breathing just right. What's one thing you find challenging about basketball, Patrick? Patrick, breathing correctly in swimming sounds very challenging, Isabella. Getting the timing and rhythm perfect clearly requires a lot of practice. I can see why it would be difficult. For me, one thing I find challenging about basketball is shooting consistently from long distance. Sometimes my shots are perfect, but other times they don't even reach the hoop. It's hard to get the right power and arc on the ball every time, especially when defenders are trying to block you. It requires a lot of repetition and focus. Do you think sports are important for children, Isabella? Why or why not? Isabella, that's a very common challenge in basketball, Patrick. Shooting consistently from long distance definitely requires a lot of practice and precision, especially with defenders around. I can imagine that's tricky. Yes, I absolutely think sports are important for children. For many reasons. First, they help children stay physically healthy and strong. Second, they teach children about teamwork and how to work with others to achieve a goal. Third, they teach children how to win and lose gracefully, which is an important life lesson. And finally, sports are a great way for children to have fun and make new friends. So yes, very important. Do you agree that sports are important for children, Patrick? Patrick, I completely agree, Isabella. Your reasons are spot on. Physical health, teamwork, learning to win and lose gracefully, and having fun while making friends. These are all incredibly important benefits that sports offer children. I think learning teamwork and how to handle both success and disappointment are especially valuable life lessons that you get from playing sports. It's not just about the game, it's about growing as a person. This has been a great chat about sports. I've really enjoyed hearing about your passion for swimming. Isabella, yes, it has been, Patrick. I've really enjoyed hearing about your love for basketball, your team, and why you enjoy playing it. It's always interesting to learn about what people are passionate about. Patrick, it definitely is, Isabella. It helps us understand each other better. Well, it was really nice talking to you about sports. I should probably get going now. I have a basketball practice soon. Isabella. Of course, Patrick. I understand completely. I hope your practice goes well. It was really nice catching up with you and learning so much about your favorite sport. Have a great rest of your day. Patrick, you too, Isabella. Enjoy your next swim. See you around soon. Isabella, see you, Patrick. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, fantastic learners, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about sports. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. What's your favorite sport to watch? Good. Now, what equipment do you need to play that sport? Excellent. One more. Why do you like that sport? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these two important phrases after me. I like basketball. It is fun to play. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing talking about sports in English. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very engaging and common topic. Talking about sports in English. You can now confidently talk about your favorite sports, what you like about them, the equipment needed, and even simple rules. This is a fantastic step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you see a game or think about sports, try to describe it in English to yourself or a friend. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.